Thank you. All right, now I'd like to introduce someone who should be very familiar to many of you. I won't say that he's a wayward Glee Club member or anything like that, but maybe a lost sheep that's been returned to the fold after a couple of years. Mr. Sean Kelly is going to join us again to sing Danny Boy.
Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the roses falling. 'Tis you must go, and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, or when the valley's hushed and white with snow. For I'll be here in sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny boy, I love you so.
And all the flowers so proud.